So guess what? It looks like it will rain. It'll be first time the rain is getting me. How Kenyans deal with rush hour traffic. This is it. This is a rush hour traffic typical of the Kenyan roads, especially in the morning or even in the evening when people are coming out of work. So this is how we deal with it. Yeah, we create lanes where there are no lanes. We even cut each other. Yes, drivers here are really patient. If this happens in the US highways, some of you would be drawing guns and everything and stopping the whole traffic just to fight. Over here, we rarely see that kind of behavior because we are really used to it. Yeah, we are used to driving the hard way. As you can see, this bus over here just cut me off. But anyway, I do not have the time and the energy to be pulling out guns and clubs that I have here. Even my machete, somebody might die. And it's not necessary anyway. We are all rushing to go home. It's in the evening. And don't make a mistake. This road has 4 lanes, by the way. And the whole of this highway has 8 lanes. Yeah, and there is still traffic in such a small country. Yeah, this is a survey just near you can see that is a tower that is usually in GSU. That is the NYS, the place. Yeah, so this is survey. You can see here. So this is how we deal with this traffic. We create lanes where they are not. There are motorbikes. Riders try to line speed. And yeah, we deal with it like that. And in some instances, by there, as you can see, that Land Cruiser over there is riding in between 2 lanes, but the outer lane is by there not in use. So that's how we end up creating a lane that does not exist. Like now, if you look at that, there is actually a space in between here that a car can go through, can pass. So the most notorious people on this road, by the way, are the Matatu drivers. Lucky for you guys, there are no such things in Europe or even in the United States. That's the reason why you see Kenyans are the best drivers, because if you can go through and drive properly here, I think you can drive anywhere around the world. As you can see, some people are even changing lanes without even indicating. You see? Yeah, so the Matatu drivers are the worst here because these guys will cut you off. There's nothing you can do about it. They'll cut you off. They have big vehicles. So there's no way you'll go like cutting them off again, like just to revenge. So, yeah, this is how we deal with this. Our roads are very notorious, by the way, and surprisingly, by the way, accidents rarely happen. Accidents don't really happen here. Why? Because everyone is driving with their 6 senses. This is a police car you can see here, and they will do nothing, by the way. Unlike in the US, where roads are really policed, over here, traffic police will even allow people to split lanes just to make sure that the people are moving. Like, yeah, moving. There is actually one road that I used to go home where they create another lane just to make sure that those people who are coming from work, especially from town, can overlap. Yeah, and that's one way of making sure that they clear the traffic. Yeah, so this is another lorry that is carrying the GSU officers. That's how Kenyan police officers look like. They are also stuck in traffic. They will not use the siren, and humbly, because we are all equal anyway. So they are following the flow, and we are now approaching Homeland. Is this Homeland? Yes, we are approaching the Homeland exit here. To the opposite, by the way, there's a place called the drive-in. Yeah, To the right here, there is the traffic headquarters department. That's where the police that man traffic in Kenya. I think that's where their headquarter is. Yeah, you can see even the police car is not indicating, and it's changing lane. That's totally normal. So if you find yourself in Kenyan roads and you see this, especially in Nairobi, I think these things happen mostly in Nairobi. Those people who come from the rural areas, they are sometimes surprised to see this happening, but we are used to it. So this is even better because we are on a highway. When there is no traffic here, we do 110 kilometers per hour. That is the speed limit in this country. So this is the highway. It's even worse if you go to the suburbs, especially during the rush hour. So yeah, that's how we deal with it here, and we love what we do. This is Kenya. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe if you want to, and peace.